myself am convinced that the theory of evolution, especially to the extent to which it has been applied, will be one of the greatest jokes in the history books of the future.
A lot of times when you talk to evolutionists about this stuff, they don't even know what you're talking about because they're not really even that well versed on these things. They really have a lot of faith in their professors and in the science books.
So in The Blind Watchmaker, Richard Dawkins said, and I quote, he said, "The simplest life has the amount of specified complexity in it of over 1,000 complete sets of encyclopedias." So to me, saying that that came about on its own is like literally saying that this library that we're in came about by an explosion in a printing shop.
The human body contains about 100 trillion cells. Just your body, one person, 100 trillion with a T. Each of those little tiny cells is more complicated than a space shuttle. As far as we know, the most complex machine ever built by humans. One cell, more complex than a space shuttle, you've got 100 trillion of them, and they all work together and communicate with each other. You pinch your finger here, your brain knows it up here like that, and your tongue says, ouch. This is amazing the way beyond amazing how we're designed. And they want to believe this all happened by chance.
Let's say, for example, you and I went into a lab and I said, okay, we're going to throw DNA, RNA, and even some membranes in a can of soup. This is what life is made out of, is DNA, RNA, and membranes.